Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can delete all messages from Discord, from maybe from DMs or maybe from channels. So I will show you the perfect and new method. So let's start the video. Okay guys, so just open your Discord. Okay, this method or process only work on web. So just open your Discord on your web or laptop or desktop. Now come to the your browser, Chrome browser, go to the these three dot options, go to the extension and visit Chrome web store. Here you need to search for that Describe extension. Okay, here you need to add this extension to your Chrome browser. Okay, after it's add, go here and make sure it is pinned to on your toolbar. Here you need to pin it. Now come to the Discord and just refresh your account. Okay, and now we need to go and click on this extension icon. So now this or the window will be open. This is pop-up window. Here go to the menu. For DMs you need to select that direct message, and if you have channel messages you can select this option. I don't have any channel messages, that's why it is not clickable, but I go to the direct message. Okay, so here we don't have. Okay, so direct message, just click on this down arrow and you can see your all direct message from here. DM, you can select one by one, or you can simply select all from this. Okay, if you select one by one you need to select search. Okay, after search you can select that all particular person DMs in your list, then you can simply select that list and delete it. Okay, if you select all or multiple, then you need to click on that purge. Okay, after purge you can select the all list will be visible to you, then you need to delete it by clicking the list. Okay, and here, okay, so once you done delete your DMs, if you want, now if you want to delete the channel message also, then you can go to the menu, go to the channel messages. Here you can select your server, here the channel whatever you have, and just search for great. Okay, just click on this search criteria and here you can select the users. Okay, you can select any user. I just select me only, and just after selection just click close, and now just search. Now you can see all the messages of this particular users. It will be display here. I don't have message, that's why it is not displaying, but you will see all the messages here. Okay, after the list show, you can simply select all and delete that channel messages from your Discord. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.